Okay. My pen died, I guess, and that caused issues. Okay, so then once you come back to your planner in Goodnotes, you're going to go image, and you're going to go to your cloud, wherever you saved it at, wherever you particularly put it. And I stuck it in here. I'm going to go way down here to the R. And I actually had to rename it because I didn't save it. And so that is right. I'm in the wrong folder. I am. And I'm tired. So anyway, it's right here. Okay. And then once it uploads it, now you can go in and crop it first, because you don't have to. When I put it on there, I didn't save it or do anything else to it, and I kind of feel like maybe I just should crop a little bit of the extra blah out of it. Nothing not needed, extra space anyway. So then click done, and then it's in here in the correct spot. And so then you just kind of have to adjust until you get things where they go again. And I had to move them around a little bit. I don't have any idea why I cut this all the way to the edge and that one not. I don't know what was wrong with me. It's a little bit easier to do. Anyway, so that's kind of hard to do while holding this phone and I can't see very well. But anyway, that's what you do. You just go in and add your piece where you want it, and you could add lots of stuff to it if you wanted, or to make your whole entire overlay, or you could just simply do the simple stuff and then go back later and add more stickers to it. But anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Any questions or comments, or you need to know anything, just leave me a comment in the below and I will get it, and we'll see if I can figure it out for you. Thanks.